Thanks for tuning in DigiNews. I'm your host, Amanda. August was a hectic month for Digiwin Software, participating in various events in different regions. Digiwin Software has developed and launched a new product called Athena to bring convenience to manufacturing process. With a high recognition in innovation, functionality, and design, this idea has won the Red Dot Award winner in the Brands and Communication Design category. Athena is an intelligent system powered by AI data. It helps enterprises achieve intellectualization in manufacturing process. From it, they can enhance competitiveness in this new digital age. This honor has also brought DigiwinSoft and the whole industry a new beginning for the infinite future. Speaking of new digital tools, DigiwinSoft has held an offline event in Johor, Malaysia to discuss the practical steps to transform into an intelligent factory and introduce the new solution, AIoT Cloud application. IR 4.0 is not a thing for the business giants, yet it shall start in the early stage of business. Hence, this event is to create awareness and correct mindset for the local enterprises. Digiwin AIoT Cloud is an affordable and lightweight system, specifically for SMEs in the steel and plastic sector. Manufacturers can effortlessly get the status of dispatching, production, machine, and inspection with different devices anywhere, anytime. For anyone who is ready to step foot in IR 4.0, this tool is definitely for you. For Taiwan, a massive exhibition is happening in Nangang. Let's have a quick tour there.
So we are at a very special event today. It's Automation Taipei 2022. Not only the industry-specific software such as SCADA and MES, but you can also dive into robot technology, VR, AR, machining hardwares, tools, and more techs here. Digiwin Software has helped many manufacturers in digital transformation. Meanwhile, they are leading enterprises for various industries. In Automation Taipei 2022, you can meet our clients such as TBI Motion, Tershing Chem, Eastfield Corporation, as well as our business partners such as ABB, Delta Electronics, and Avantech. So here I am in this booth, which we are jointly exhibiting our production dashboard, as well as our AIoT Cloud solution with ABB and Digiwin Technology.
ABB Robotics co-work with the Digiwins in many projects and service many South Asia customers. If a customer have some inquiry, you could find Digiwin and ABB.
This time I'm very happy to announce that we also have very deep cooperation with Digiwin, and we have a lot of AI inspection, AI operation, and integrate into Digiwin's MES system and different EIP system, etc. So very happy to working with Digiwin and working with you guys.
If the situation allows, feel free to visit them and you may find out more insightful ideas about automation in your factories. That's it for today and see you next time.